Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is my passion fruit, and you see it has a lot of damage from leaf miners, and it's now reached a seal. I don't know where to put right now this one single stem. And if you recall, I had 3 branches. One is completely dry out and I remove it, and this is second one, and you see it's drying up because all the leaves were damaged by leaf miners, and plant of course dried out all these leaves. And when branch doesn't have any leaves, it doesn't put any sap on it, so eventually this branch will die too. So now I have only one single stem, and I'm not sure what to do with this one, because how long it's gonna grow just one single stem. And you see half of leaves damaged by leaf miners. So I decided to put this yellow stick, and I don't know which one is leaf miner here. And actually these yellow sticks are very old. Maybe I bought them 5 years ago, and they still work actually. It catches a lot of something, but it's gonna catch good one and bad ones. That's main drawback with putting all these yellow sticky pads. Usually people don't do anything when they have leaf miners because it's not really damaging a lot, but here damage is severe because if you have one single stem and you have only 4 leaves or 5 leaves and all of them are damaged, your plant will abort them. And with no leaves, it's difficult for plants to survive. They need to grow something new. But see, for this plant it did matter. I have like tomato plant, it's all covered with leaves like that. My tomato plant doesn't care and doesn't drop these leaves. They look green, they look fine. They just these some terrible labyrinths, but it's still, my tomato plant doesn't care. But this one, that's really matter. And I was surprised if all these leaves will be eventually dropped too. I don't know if you see. What the heck is that? Is it just regular fly, or this is leaf miner? I need to look up on the internet. That's interesting. If it is leaf miner, so my sticky pad didn't work for that one, because it's still going. Difficult to focus. Now I can see, yeah. Okay, it did fly away. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment below. Bye.